Ever wished you could bring the stunning visualizations of Tableau directly into your familiar Excel spreadsheets? Well, in this tutorial, we'll explore how you can embed a Tableau visualization inside of Excel 2013 for streamlined reporting. First things first, ensure you have both Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public and Microsoft Excel 2013 installed. Now, let's head over to Tableau, create or open the visualization you want to integrate. This could be a chart, a dashboard, or any interactive view that Tableau offers. Once you have your visualization ready, click on Dashboard on the top navigation bar in Tableau, then locate Copy Image or Copy. Doing so enables images can be selected from there. Next, switch over to your Excel worksheet. Determine the cell location where you want your Tableau visualization to appear. Make sure you have enough space. Right-click on the chosen cell, revealing a contextual menu. Then, click Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut. The Tableau visualization is now embedded within your Excel sheet. This will paste the image of the chart you copied from Tableau into Excel. You may need to resize it for optimal viewing now. Your Tableau visualization is directly accessible within Excel, allowing your data analysis to be more dynamic and integrated. And just like that, you are done.